Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video we are going to create another scratch game. So this will be quite interesting for others. We have already shared two games previously. If you not see that, you can see that. I will give the description link. So till now we have dealt only with one player game in which only one player can play. Now this is two-player game, not offline two-player game. Okay, not online. So the game name is Gobo Fight, which we will play. So I start my game. It is a two-player game. I'm playing alone because nobody is there to play with me. You can see it, both can shoot each other. So when at the top you can see the power is also there. So if the power is gone, so it will give a boom that this player wins, blue wins. So this is what we are going to create. So today I will use the online version of scratch.me.edu. You can also use the scratch icon, scratch desktop. Okay, so I will click on create. Now it will create a fresh project, new project for me. So let us check. So it has created our new project. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to name this as a player 1 because it's 2 player. So player 1, this is our player 1, and we can also change the image of this player by clicking on the costumes. So there are two costumes. We can get rid of this costumes and we can select costume by clicking here. So I have, like, it is, you can see gobo. So this is what I have used in this. So now we have a player. Now we will create our second player. That will be again of same image. So you can see we have, if we can name this as player 2. That's right. Now we can place it at the correct place of it. So this is part 1. There will be many parts of this. This is the first part. So now what we have to do, we can just basic, let us draw some backdrops and some costumes for it. So guys, what I have to do, I've created the costumes for it and created a backdrop with blue color. So now we have to code for it. Today we will just code basic like the movement up and down, not for bullet, not for anything. So events, when green flag clicked. So in scratch, basically when we click on this green flag, the game starts. So whenever this green flag will be clicked, we will use a forever loop. So forever loop, and then inside it if conditions. So if you don't know what is forever loop, what is if conditions, so I have already explained these all loops in our previous part of sandwich grabber game, so you can just watch that. If key down pressed, then change x by -10. So now what is x? So now if I press down key, it is Okay, sorry, not x, it must be y. So let me tell you what is x and y. So now I am pressing down and it is going down. So x and y. So here we have a screen in which game is going on. So x means horizontal. Horizontally means this is a zero part. X 1, 2, 3, -10, -4 goes there. Y part means vertically. X means horizontally. Y part means vertically. So when change x y by -10 means it will go down. Minus means down, plus means up. So down by 10. So I will just click on this, right click on this if condition, and then copy it, and then just do some changes, like if up arrow pressed, then change y by 10. So let us check is it working or not. You can see it is moving up and down, up and down, up and down. So now you can see if we go up, so I again start my game, so it again starts from here. So we want, whenever we will click this green flag, it must be start from middle. So what we have to do, somewhat this place it should start. Okay, same for this blue one. Now whenever the green flag will be clicked, it will go to x minus 194 and y minus 8. Not forever, yeah. So now if I go up and again start my game, so it again come at that position. That's what we want. So the same code we have to do for this blue one. So I hope you have understand the logic. So let us do same for the blue. So guys, we have done same for our blue. So now up, now you can see when I am pressing up, so both pair are going up. Now I press down, so both pair are going down. So we can change the controls for it. This is easy. You can just set it to W, any key you can select, W and S. So now they both can move separately. So guys, this was all for this part. I hope you understand it properly, and please don't forget to watch second part.